Let's make some buttermilk pancakes. So y'all know I use self-rising flour because I'm lazy, about 1 cup and a fourth, and then a half a cup of sugar and 1 cup of buttermilk. And then we're going to use a splash of milk, so about a third cup, and then 1 egg and a little bit of butter. I didn't have any vanilla extract, so I used almond extract. Judge your mom. A pinch of cinnamon, so probably like a fourth of a teaspoon. Take a really good whisk and whisk it all together. And you want the batter to be a little bit thick, but kind of runny, kind of like a sheet cake batter, if that makes sense. I like to use grapeseed oil and a little bit of butter to fry the pancakes because I want crispy edges. So ladle it on top. When it starts to bubble, that's when you know it flips. Bubbles around the edges. Flip it, plate it, add some butter, whatever kind you want. Use whatever kind of syrup that you guys want. We love Aunt Jemima in this house. Do this, eat it, bye.